Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to add pictures or photos to your text messages on Samsung Galaxy A22. Let's go! Okay, so guys, all you need to do is you need to enter the message apps, press some of your contact, then here you have this image in the bottom left corner, you press it, then it's too big, so you need to resize it, and then you just send. And that's how you send your pictures to someone through messages. And if you wanna take a photo, all you need to do is you need to press this apps, take a picture, and you take a picture. I forgot to show you, but you know what I mean. Yes, you just take a picture. Okay. And you can send it. Okay, thank you for watching, have a good day, goodbye.